Excuse me, sir. Could I ask you a quick question? Did your portfolio beat Nancy Pelosi's last year? Did it? Okay, I'm just curious.
Nobody's did.
Nobody's did. Why not? Why do you think? Did you beat Nancy Pelosi last year? Okay, no worries. Excuse me, sir. Did your portfolio beat Nancy Pelosi's last year?
Nobody's did.
Did you beat Nancy Pelosi's portfolio last year? She did 54%.
I know she's a crook.
She's a crook. Did you beat her?
No.
No. Why do you think she's able to do 54% and beat most major hedge funds in the country?
I don't know, but I'm hopeful that more people will figure that out because that's a statistical anomaly, as they say.
I work for, we're the largest trader on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Every one of my trades has to be approved. I can't trade on any material non-public information. I think they should be subject to the same rules that people who work in our industry are.
Hey guys, this is Matt Miller. Today I'm here on Wall Street in New York City, and we're asking stockbrokers if they beat Nancy Pelosi's portfolio in 2024.
Nancy Pelosi should be investigated because she has the highest return of anybody practically in the history of Wall Street.
She did 54% in returns, and she beat most major hedge funds in the United States. We're going to see if any of these guys actually outperformed her, not having access to insider trading information, as she obviously does. Let's go see what they have to say. Did you beat Nancy Pelosi's portfolio last year? 54% she did? Did you beat Nancy Pelosi's portfolio last year?
Absolutely not.
No? Did any of you guys beat her? It is tough going out here. Almost none of these guys want to talk to us. So we're going to do our best, try to get some interviews. Did you beat Nancy Pelosi's portfolio?
Huh?
Did you beat Nancy Pelosi's portfolio last year? She did 54%.
She was up 54.
She beat all major hedge funds in the country.
Personally, I might have beat her in my accounts, but not. Yeah, I think I might have, but it was a good year.
Okay, well that's awesome.
I don't get the information she gets. She gets really good information. I'd love to get that information.
How do you think she does it?
Because she gets really good information.
What do you think about insider trading in D.C.? Should it be cracked down on? Or?
Look, I work for, we're the largest trader on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Every one of my trades has to be approved. I can't trade on any material non-public information. I have to self-report if I become in possession of material non-public information.
Yeah.
I have to tell my compliance people, and I'm restricted in the stock. I've got tons of rules. I think they should be subject to the same rules that people who work in our industry are.
And you still
People down here working on the floor, they can't trade on inside information.
She makes $170,000 a year, and she's worth hundreds of millions of dollars.
How does she do that? Yeah.
Did you beat Nancy Pelosi's portfolio last year? She did 54%.
No, I didn't.
You didn't? How do you think she did so well?
Yeah, she was great.
She's great. She's the best. All right, thank you. Did you beat Nancy Pelosi's portfolio last year?
No,
You didn't. She did 54%.
I didn't beat it.
Why do you think she's able to do 54% and beat most major hedge funds in the country?
I don't know, but I'm hopeful that more people will figure that out because that's a statistical anomaly, as they say. I think.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So do you think, what do you think about insider trading in D.C.? Do you think that they should crack down on it or do more to prevent it?
Yeah, I think it's definitely something that, I actually, for a living, I interview a lot of people too, so I do what you do, and I think that it's something that a lot of people want fixed, and a lot of people are afraid to touch the issue in Congress, but it's definitely something that needs to get fixed. I think everybody else is just like, hey, make it easy.
Yeah, it's definitely not just Nancy Pelosi. It's tons of them are doing it.
Plenty of people. There's plenty of people that got, inside scoops. I cover crypto. That happens all the time. So, I think everyone just kind of wants it to be fair is generally what people want.
Yes,
in America.
Did you beat Nancy Pelosi's portfolio last year? She did 54% in the stock market.
Shit, I ain't gonna lie, I don't know who the you talking about. But listen, man, I'm over here trying to learn how to invest into stocks and crypto and all that. So,
well, let me give you some advice. So, become a member of Congress. You get all this insider information that you're not supposed to use to trade. Use it to trade, and then you can make millions, tens of millions, hundreds of millions of dollars, just like Nancy Pelosi did.
Yeah.
Should politicians be able to use insider information to get rich on Wall Street?
Yeah. That's not fair. That's not fair. I think everybody should, you know what I mean? It should be equal to everybody. Everybody should get the same information so everybody can get bread. Everybody in the hood needs to know about stocks. Everybody in the hood needs to know about crypto, real estate, and all that. Know what I mean?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I'm learning though. You gotta search. You gotta search for the knowledge. But it's out there.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I see you, bro.
Take care. Did you beat Nancy Pelosi's portfolio last year? She did 54%. How do you think she did that?
My family's an insider in the market, and we're not allowed to trade.
You know that? Well, how do you think she beat every single hedge fund in the United States? Almost every hedge fund.
Insider information. Why is President Trump buying $100 million worth of bonds? What does he know that we don't?
What does he know? Well, he's the president, right?
Should not be buying stocks or bonds.
Politicians shouldn't be?
Well, that's true, yes. But
Republicans and Democrats, or?
yes, completely. But traditionally, the president has never done business. What does he know that? Why does someone have that much in bonds? $100 million. What are you betting against?
He thinks the market's going to crash?
I don't know. But that's a very big tell. All the, Nancy Pelosi and all the other politicians are just making a mint. And they do have insider information.
Absolutely. So what would you like to see happen about insider trading in D.C.? What's the way to handle that?
Well, the way to handle that is for it to be not allowed, but in the current environment, that's not going to happen. There's just the corruption's too deep right now.
Do you think it's a bipartisan issue, or is it?
Absolutely.
Okay.